Nubia launched the Z60 Ultra last December in China, and the Nubia Z70 Ultra should be unveiled next month. Nubia Z70 Ultra is coming to the global markets before the end of the year. Digital Chat Station is back with another leak. First look at Nubia Z70 Ultra 50MP 35mm large bottom variable aperture camera. It is also said the 6-blade adjustment is quite smooth. Tipster Digital Chat Station posted a video on Weibo showing the incredibly thin bezels of the smartphone. Digital Chat Station said this is a 1220p resolution screen with no punch hole or notch. Its BOE display sports ultra-thin bezels and an under-display camera. It should offer a more immersive display experience as compared to the Nubia Z60 Ultra and most other flagships in the market at present. Nubia Z70 Ultra reportedly offers improved picture quality with its under-panel selfie camera as compared to its predecessor. And last month's an image of a smartphone in a protective case recently surfaced on Weibo. Weibo tipster Digital Chat Station now claims that the phone in question is actually the Nubia Z70 Ultra, citing its design elements. Apart from the buttons, now Nubia Z70 listed IMEI database. The phone will equip the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.